The 2025 Cordless Pressure Washer is designed with a powerful 4.0 ampere hour battery, providing users with the freedom to clean without the hassle of cords. Equipped with a robust 380-watt brushless motor, this pressure washer delivers a remarkable 700 pounds per square inch, effortlessly handling tough cleaning tasks. Its 6-in-1 nozzle offers versatile spray patterns, making it ideal for a variety of cleaning applications, from washing your car to watering your garden. With a portable design, including a durable storage box and a 5-meter hose, this pressure washer is perfect for both home and outdoor use, ensuring you can clean anywhere without restrictions. The smart 4-speed settings allow you to easily adjust the water pressure, providing a customizable cleaning experience tailored to different tasks. This pressure washer from CAMXTOOL combines convenience and efficiency thanks to its intelligent wireless design that simplifies cleaning tasks.